This week we are working on the text Let's Go to the Moon, and you can find it in your Anthology 1.4 on page 15. So previously when we talked about author's purpose, we learned that a lot of times the author's purpose for writing a fictional story is because they want to teach us a lesson. What lesson did the characters learn in the story, and then how can we apply that to ourselves? Now we're looking at some nonfiction text, and we need to figure out why an author would write nonfiction text. Well, while it could be entertaining, it doesn't make us laugh, and it doesn't make us cry, it doesn't make us feel a certain way, so it's probably not entertaining. Why might someone write about the moon or dinosaurs? Wait, let's go back. Why might you read a book about the moon or dinosaurs? Yeah, because you want to learn about it. So why might someone write a book about the moon or dinosaurs? Yeah, because they want to teach you about it. So the author's purpose could be to teach about what? Okay, figure that one out. What are they teaching us about this time? All right. So that's your first part. The second part is, what's the author's opinion? Now remember, we just started opinion. Opinion means how they feel about something. It's not a fact. A fact is something that we can prove. So I could say that astronauts have landed on the moon. I could say that there are craters on the moon. These are facts. We can prove that these things are real. However, an opinion I can't prove is real. Well, I can say blue is the best color in the world, and you might agree with me. Can we prove it? No. Just like I could say pink lemonade is the best drink in the world, you might disagree. I know it's chocolate milk. It's okay. Yeah. So an opinion is something that we can't prove, but we can have for ourselves. So what's the author's opinion about, what do you think the author feels about the moon? Do you think they hate the moon? Probably not, since they wrote about it. Do you think they think the moon's pretty cool? Oh, yeah, they probably do think the moon is pretty cool because they wrote about it and they talked about all these cool things that are on the moon. But, what do you think the author thinks about the moon? How do we know that? What's the author's opinion about the moon? Well, this time I'm helping you a little bit. I want you to go to page 35 in your text. And not only can you tell me what the author thinks about the moon, you can actually support it because you can say, the author says this about the moon. So that's why I think it's the author's opinion about the moon. So sometimes an author will completely tell us how they feel. Other times we've got to make some guesses, good guesses, about an author's opinion. We're going to practice that. So we're starting off small. We'll get to the next harder part of figuring author's opinion. So for today, just figure out author's purpose and the author's opinion.